Hi there, 8th grade scholars. Today I'm just going to be giving you some instructions for your workshop. Today in workshop, you're going to be brainstorming your narrative task journal entries. So you're going to go to classroom.google and you're going to go to your brainstorm journal entries and we'll see if it'll open up for us. And there we go. So in class earlier today, we talked about the narrative task, how you're going to be writing two journal entries where you imagine that you're either the boy or the girl in checkouts. Today, you're just going to be brainstorming about some things you could write about, and this is going to give you a space to do that. So for your journal entry number 1 brainstorm, this journal entry is going to take place a few days after you first saw the other person and fell in love. And you're going to use details from the story and also add your own details as well. So for journal entry number 1, you want to be thinking about who you are. Are you going to be the boy or the girl? Because you want to be the same for journal entry 1 and journal entry 2. Then you're just going to be brainstorming. What was it like the minute I saw this other person? Where was I? What were some thoughts that went through my mind? How have my feelings changed? What's important to keep in mind here is that this journal entry is just a few days after you first saw the other person and fell in love. So you're going to be brainstorming about that right here. Then you're going to come on down to journal entry number 2. And this journal entry is going to take place at the end of the story. So you're going to use details from the story and describe what you're thinking and feeling about yourself and about the other person. And you can add your own details in here as well. So again, you want to stay the same. If you were the boy in journal entry number 1, you want to stay the boy in journal entry number 2. If you were the girl in number 1, you want to stay the girl in number 2. And in journal entry number 2, you're just going to be writing about what it was like when you saw the other person at the end of the story, where you were, what you're feeling about yourself, thinking about yourself, what you're feeling about the other person, what you're thinking about the other person. And then you want to think about how has this person impacted my life? How has this person impacted or affected or changed how I think and feel about myself or about other people? We look forward to reading your brainstorming and reading your journal entries that you'll be writing later this week.